How to create Twitter or X account. So in this video I'll show you the tutorial about how to create Twitter or X account. So first of all, make sure you have already downloaded Twitter application from any Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. So on the App Store or Play Store you'll easily get Twitter X or Twitter application or X application. So in this updated version, you will see Axe written. So you need to just download and install and then tap on open button. And if you have logged into any existing account, you can simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and then select the three dots at the top right corner and tap on create a new account. Then you will reach on this page where you can continue with Google or create account. If you continue with Google, you have to select any Google account and then start creating account with the Google account. So let's tap on continue with Google. And now you have to allow Google to sign you into X. So let's tap on agree and share. Once you have done that, you have to select your preferred language here and select next button. Enter your birth date. Once you are done entering your date of birth, you have to enter your username or you can skip for now. Now tap on next button again at the bottom right corner and select continue button. And you have to allow X to access your contacts, so tap on allow. On this page, you have to make sure to follow some of the peoples on this page. So let's tap on follow button. Now tap on follow button again at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are done with all the process, when you tap on the top left corner of the screen, as you can see that we have successfully created an account on Twitter or X. So that is how we create Twitter or X account. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.